Dump.
Diggs, what was that big thing you just dumped?
Oh, it looked like an old statue.
What of?
Oh, some kind of building, I think. Must have been important, or there wouldn't have been a statue of it. Oh.
Oh, Diggs, you've just gone over that roundabout. You're supposed to go around it, remember?
Oh, I'm sorry, Bozer, but it's so low.
I know. What we need is something in the middle of it so that everyone can see it. Anyway, you've all made a very good start. An approach road to the landfill site will make things a whole lot easier.
Yeah.
There are a few things I have to go and get. Now, do you all know what you're doing?
Of course we know what we're doing. Cool.
Very well. I shall see you all later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Actually, what are we doing?
Well, I'm putting these cement bags over here for Maxine.
And I'm dumping gravel, ready for dosing.
Oh, no. So it's only me who doesn't know. Bozer! Bozer!
Right then. Well, that's the end of the road for me.
Huh?
No, there's no turning back. It's time I looked for pastures new. Oh, yes.
Oh, no. What does that mean? The end of the road? No turning back? Pastures new? All that stuff could only mean one thing. Bozer's leaving. For good.
But he can't leave. He's the boss.
Yes, and without a boss, we'd be bossless.
Did Bozer actually tell you he was going?
Well, not exactly, but I overheard him say that this was the end of the road. There was no turning back. He was looking for pastures new.
So he didn't actually say he was leaving. You heard him say he was looking for a new pasture.
Well, in my logbook, that's leaving. So I'm off to tell the big trucks.
But shouldn't we just make sure?
Don't worry, Carrie. I'm not going to make a big thing of it. Big site announcement! Now hear this! Now hear this! Bozer's leaving! Bozer the boss will soon be no more! You heard it here first!
Bozer's leaving?
Big site announcement! Now hear this! Now
Did I
hear
just
this.
hear
Bozer's
correctly?
leaving. Yes, folks, Bozer
Well,
is
bless my
leaving.
bumpers.
Oh yay! Oh yay! Bozer's leaving! Bozer the boss will soon be no more! You heard it here first, folks!
Well, if that's not a big thing, I'm a fire engine.
Everyone to the landfill site now for a plan of action!
Bozer's leaving. Bozer's leaving.
I can't believe it.
Bozer going? Could this be true?
Now! I'm sure we all agree this is terrible news.
Are you sure about this, Diggs?
Of course. So, we need to think of a good way to say goodbye.
Why don't we give him something?
Now that is a really good idea, Maxine.
I could give him a spare tire.
I've got an old oil can.
No, we've got to give him something special. Something to let him know how important he is to us.
I think so.
Hey, I've got it. We'll make a statue. A statue of himself.
But we are construction site vehicles. We make walls and roads. We can't make statues.
Yes, we can. We hardly ever get a chance to use our creative skills.
That's probably because we don't have any.
Speak for yourself, darling. If Bozer's taught us one thing over the time we've been working with him, it's that we can do anything if we try.
Yay, Maxine! So come on, everybody. Let's build Bozer.
Oh, this would be good.
Aha!
will make a good-looking cap.
I wonder if this pipe will work as a piston. Now, don't look at the light, Scooch.
Oh. Can I look now? Oh. Good morning. Morning.
Well, I think you've captured the unbridled essence of Bozer.
What did Luck say?
He says it's really good.
Oh, here comes Bozer now.
Surprise!
Ooh, that's very nice. Very nice indeed. What is it?
It's a statue of you, Bozer.
But why would you all make a statue of me?
Because you're leaving. Oh, I'm sorry, Bozer, but I overheard you talking about it. No turning back. The end of the road. Pastures new.
Why are you laughing, Bozer? Are you happy that you're going?
I'm not going anywhere, Scooch.
Oh.
What Diggs overheard was me checking the plans for the road. Checking to see if the vehicles had enough room to turn back. And checking that I'd put in the end of the road.
But what about pastures new?
Well, that's the place where I went to look for something to put in the middle of the roundabout. Sadly, there wasn't anything, so it was a complete waste of time.
I told you he couldn't be leaving.
Oh, I'm sorry, everyone. In future, if I'm eavesdropping, I'll listen a bit more carefully.
Maybe it's better if you don't eavesdrop at all, Diggs.
Oh, wait a minute. I really enjoyed making that statue. I didn't realize I was so creative.
And my new statue cement is the smoothest ever.
You see, Diggs? Even when you make a mistake, good things can happen.
And if I can add something to that, if you hadn't made that statue of me, then we wouldn't have anything to put in the middle of the roundabout.
You can't miss it now.
Top idea, Bozer.
It looks really great.
Yes, I have to admit that that is one of the handsomest roundabouts I've seen in a long time.